In today's video, we are going to be talking about something that is very sensitive, a very sensitive topic that a lot of ladies, a lot of women shy away from. How to keep the vagina clean. Now, before I go further into this topic, the vagina is self-cleansing. That is, it cleanses itself. So it doesn't need external help from you to keep it clean. You can only take care or clean out the vulva, which is the outer part of the female body. So are you ready for this topic? If you are ready, I am ready. So let's dive into the video. But before we step further, before we go further, if this is your first time of seeing my face, my name is Priska. I am a registered nurse. I live and I practice in the UK. My channel is all about nursing. I give health tips and I create health awareness as well. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel just yet, kindly do so now. And please like, share, and comment on this video as well. So if you're ready, let's dive into the video. Vagina is self-cleansing. So you trying to care for your vagina in a certain kind of way can become very harmful to the vagina. So let me just tell us the tips on how to keep the vagina clean. Number one, avoid douching. Douching is a process whereby a lady uses a scented material or perfumes to wash out the insides of her vagina. More like irrigating the vagina. More like irrigating her vagina. I mean, come on. The vagina cleanses itself. The process or the moment when you start introducing foreign things into your body, into the vagina, it scatters the normal balance of the vagina, thereby irritating you the more, thereby creating room for infection. It is not recommended to clean the inside of the vagina. It is only recommended for you to clean your vulva, which is the outer part of the body. Now, to clean the vulva, you only need water. Just water is enough. You don't need all the shenanigans. You don't need all the perfumes and all the scents. No. You just use water to wash out your vulva. Even if you want to use soap, just use mild soap. You know, the mildest of them all to clean the vulva. Why? Just to avoid increasing your risk of getting infection. Just to avoid disrupting the normal flow of the vagina. Number two is change your pads regularly when you are menstruating. A lot of women bleed more than others. What do I mean? A lot of women have heavier flow than others. It is good for you to know your cycle. It is good for you to know your body. Please and please, when you are menstruating, it is advised for you to change your pad, even if it's twice a day or more than that. Because if you don't change your pad while menstruating, like if you use one pad for 24 hours, what do you think will happen? Your body will start breeding infections. I mean, your body will start creating room, making you susceptible to get infections. So please, my dear, when you are menstruating, your hygiene should be top notch. You try to change your pads regularly. Number three, please wear cotton pants. Allow your vulva, allow your vagina to breathe. Wear cotton pants. Avoid tight clothing. Avoid it because it makes your vulva, it makes your vagina to be hot. You know, you'll be attracting unnecessary heat to your body. And what happens? Irritation and then infections. So all this thing is just to allow free flow to come into your vulva, to come into your vagina, to help keep the normal balance, to help keep the normal functioning of your vagina. Number four, after using the toilet, please try and wipe from front to back and not from back to front. When you wipe from back to front, you are introducing some feces to your urethra, and what happens? You may likely have urinary tract infection. So that is why it is advised for you to clean from front to back. Also, there are people that feel more comfortable using water to wash their vagina after toilet. I mean, that is top notch. That is good, because after going to the toilet, after using the loo, you wash off your anus, you wash up your private parts with water. It is way more better. If you really don't like the practice of using water to wipe off or to wash off your private parts, stick to what you do, but please clean from front to back. Number 5, I believe is that after having sex, try and urinate, because um you may have urinary tract infection. How do I mean? A lot of people will say, what is the connection between the vagina and the urethra? Of course, there is. Because during sex, a lot of practices, a lot of things go on. Someone might give you head, someone might give you oral sex. You don't know what they have in their mouth, you don't know what they have eaten. And then after licking your vagina, after giving you head, you don't know what they introduced to your body. So some infections can travel to your urethra, causing urinary tract infection. So your ability to urinate immediately after sex can prevent or stop or wash down these infections from climbing up your body. And also, after sex, try and wash off your vagina with water as well. It helps a lot. It helps a whole lot. It helps to keep you clean. It helps your body to feel clean down there. Number 6 is use protections while having sex with new sexual partners. Of course, you should use protection because you really don't know the sexual histories of these people you're sleeping with. So, for you to cover yourself, for you to prevent yourself from contacting sexually transmitted infections, what do? You wear condoms just to be safe. Number 7, try and treat yourself when you feel you've contacted any infection. Of course, it helps because there are infections that make your vagina smell so badly. So when you start feeling changes in your body, it is your body. That is why you should know how to perceive changes. So when you feel that something is not right with your body, you try as much as possible to go to the hospital to get yourself treated, just to be in good health. Okay? The next one, which is number 8, please and please shave your pubic hairs. It is actually recommended that you trim your pubic hairs and not to remove it all entirely, because the pubic hairs also has its function. But then there are people who do not like trimming, they only like shaving off. What I'm trying to say, in effect, if you like trimming, if you like shaving off, please and please tune it down, because there are people who, when they remove their pants and then you see the amount of pubic hair they have down there, you keep on asking yourself why, what's your intention? Are you intended to weave it or something? Please and please tone it down, cut down the excess hair you have. Helps, because the more the hair is there, it traps things. It traps things that can in turn cause irritation to your vulva, irritation to your vagina, or even cause infection to you as well. The next one, which is for number 9, is when you're sleeping at night, please, if it's possible, sleep naked. What I mean by sleeping naked, do not wear anything down below. Don't wear pants. Just be naked down there when you are sleeping, because it allows for air. You see, it allows air to come into your body, keeping it safe. There are people who, I mean, if you're menstruating, it is understandable for you to wear pants and pad. But please, if you're not menstruating, can you free yourself a bit? There are people, when they are sleeping, they are wearing pants, they are wearing jean trousers, they are even wearing tights as well. That's too bad. Give your body breathing space. The next one is stay hydrated. Drink lots and lots and lots of water. Stay hydrated. It mustn't be water anyway. If you can drink juice, if you can drink water, if you can drink, just stay hydrated. Of course, we all know that water is the ultimate. What I'm trying to say, in effect, is drink lots and lots and lots, because a lot of people underestimate what water can do in our lives. The next one is eat healthy food. Eat things that are healthy, not junk. Again, for eating healthy, there is also a school of thought that said drinking lots of yogurts. Drinking yogurts can help a woman. So having said all this, I believe I've touched all aspects. I believe I touched all aspects. But if you feel there is something I left out, kindly let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and also kindly like and share, and follow my page, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks a lot.